NSdirect 63-inch modern computer desk review, perfect for home office and workspace needs. When it comes to setting up a home office, having a functional yet stylish desk can make all the difference. The NSdirect 63-inch modern computer desk combines elegance, sturdiness, and ample workspace, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their workstation. Here's a detailed review based on its features and performance. Design: sleek, elegant, and minimalist. The first thing you'll notice about the NSdirect desk is its sleek and minimalist design. With an open concept layout and clean aesthetic, it seamlessly blends into various home and office environments. Whether you're looking for a place to write, work on your computer, or engage in creative tasks, this desk strikes the perfect balance between style and functionality. The combination of hard steel and teak MDF board not only looks great, but also offers a solid and sturdy structure. Spacious work area and comfortable legroom. At 63 inches long and 23.6 inches deep, this desk offers an expansive surface that comfortably accommodates a computer, monitor, writing materials, books, or even gaming equipment. If you're someone who needs space to spread out or multitask, you'll appreciate the generous desktop area. One of the standout features is the ample legroom. Standing at a height of 29.5 inches, the desk provides enough space for users of all sizes. Whether you're tall or short, there's plenty of room to stretch your legs and stay comfortable during long work or study sessions. The built to last, sturdy steel frame and thick MDF top. Stability is crucial for any desk, and the NSdirect desk doesn't disappoint. Its thicker steel legs, 1.97 inches, offer enhanced durability and stability, even under heavy loads. Whether you're setting up a dual-monitor workstation or stacking up paperwork, this desk can handle up to 800 pounds of weight. The desktop itself is made of 1-inch laminated MDF, which is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and incredibly easy to clean. You don't have to worry about spills or marks ruining the surface, making it perfect for everyday use. Additionally, the desk features adjustable leg pads, ensuring it stays stable even on uneven floors. Versatile and multi-purpose. This desk is not just for office work, it's incredibly versatile. You can use it as a computer desk, writing desk, gaming table, or even a dining table. Its modern design allows it to blend in with various decor styles, making it suitable for any room in the house. Whether you're setting it up in a home office, bedroom, or living room, this desk adapts to your needs. Easy assembly and customer support. One of the great things about this desk is how easy it is to assemble. The package comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions, and you can set it up in about 15 minutes. Even if you're not very handy, the process is straightforward and hassle-free. Additionally, NSdirect backs its products with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, offering peace of mind for your purchase. If you have any issues, the customer support team is quick to respond and resolve any concerns within 24 hours. Final verdict: a solid, practical choice for any workspace. The NSdirect 63-inch modern computer desk is a well-designed and reliable option for anyone looking to create a functional workspace at home or in the office. Its large size, sturdy frame, and minimalist style make it a standout piece that fits in well with various home office setups. Whether you're working, studying, or gaming, this desk provides a comfortable and durable platform to get the job done. If you're on the hunt for a spacious, stylish, and versatile desk, this one should be high on your list. Plus, with easy assembly and a solid warranty, it's an investment worth making for a clutter-free and productive workspace.